Shenzhen, in southeastern China, is a modern metropolis that links Hong Kong to China's mainland. It's known for its shopping destinations, including Luohu Commercial City, a massive mall with vast array of wares from tailors' custom clothing to faux designer bags. The city also features contemporary buildings such as the 600-meter tall skyscrapers, being an international finance center, and a number of amusement parks. It's a great city to buy hand-tailored clothing, art replicas, and high-tech toys. The city connects Hong Kong to China's mainland and is one of the largest and most popular cities in southeastern China. It is best known for shopping and entertainment, thanks to its large malls and many family-friendly amusement parks. Shenzhen is home to Huawei and Oppo and counts as a Foxconn's second largest manufacturing hub in China.